Welcome to Land, Legacy and Liberation, the podcast reclaiming our right to build, invest and thrive on African soil together. I'm your host, Brother Kofi, and today we kick off this series with a question at the heart of the African Renaissance. Why Africa? And why now? To explore this, I'm joined by someone I deeply respect, Sister Ama. She's a strategist, cooperative builder, and one of the most grounded voices on Pan-African economics today. Welcome, Ama.
Thank you, Brother Kofi. It's truly a joy to be here. This conversation is long overdue, and your book, Diaspora and Investment Blueprint, brings so much clarity and fire to the moment we're in.
Let's begin with the spirit behind the work. You and I both believe this isn't just about business. This is about recentrification, about responsibility.
That line hit me deep the first time I read it. Recentrification. And it's real. So many of us in the diaspora feel unanchored, successful, but drifting. Africa doesn't just represent investment. It represents restoration.
Exactly. And the beauty is we don't have to wait for permission. We don't have to be billionaires. The blueprint starts with cooperative thinking. Let's talk about the urgency. The subtitle of the book by Nkumu Dave says it clearly: Land, Legacy and Liberation. But the question is, why now?
Here's something that might surprise you. Africa currently holds 60% of the world's remaining arable land. Yet, we're seeing an unprecedented digital and economic scramble that's completely transforming how this resource is being developed. That's fascinating, and it connects to this deeper question about spiritual connection to land, doesn't it?
Well, there's this powerful quote that really captures.